Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through.
This video was shot for a particular video that I'm about to shoot right now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
Or fantasy, reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing.
So I really don't want to waste time with this makeup. I'll just apply my foundation shade on the areas that I would like to highlight. Then I would apply contour shade on the areas I would like to hide. So for my contour, I would use this shade. So basically this is the Sleek palette. I find out that with this contour palette, I don't need to apply foundation all over my face. I'm just going to use this stippled brush to blend out the product I just applied together.
15 seconds of fame, it's your time.
Then you can just go again on these areas and just apply more foundation there. I don't want to highlight this look, so it looks as natural as possible.
Fantasy, reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine.
So now all I just need to do is I set this first with my spray. That's basically just to allow wet application stay together. Whilst it's drying up, I would go ahead and do my lips. This lipstick is by Beauty Glazed. I got it off on Amazon. I would drop a link in the description. To set my face, I would use this face definer, and I would use this lighter shade here. For contour, I would use this shade here.
The things that you're feeling, capture your body, get your best side, breathe in the world.
Probably by the time you're seeing this makeup, the video would have been out, so make sure you check out that video. Now I'm using my Mary Kay powder to highlight my face a little bit. Then I would use a bronzer to contour. I think my face is dry now. The next thing I need to do is to work on my brows. I would use this NYX. Firstly, I would brush it out. So I would use a powder to set my brows first. That way it's dry enough and it wouldn't be greasy by the time I'm done with the makeup. Also apply more powder on my eye area.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's
I would draw a beautiful line from underneath.
pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you we've got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy.
So if you don't set your brows, you'll have to keep drawing and drawing to even notice any changes in the brows. But if you set it beforehand, it makes it a lot more easier for you to draw your brow pencil on. So now I'm just gonna line the brows. I would use Lasting Perfection. I didn't want to use a concealer that is too bright because I want this look to be as natural as possible. So I'll just use my stipple brush to blend that around this area. Then for my upper brows, I would use the same foundation I used. Using my same foundation shade to line this outer area. So using this will just allow it to easily blend with my eyebrows and also blend with my whole face. So I'm done with that, and I will just use my brush to blend it out. So doing this style can be really tricky. All you just need to do is to be sure you blend properly. Then I'll set it again with my Mary Kay powder. For my eyeshadow, I'll be using the James Charles palette. I'll basically use these two colors. This maybe I would use this one, but I would use these two colors because I want like a natural matte finish. I actually think this would go well for me. Then I'm just gonna blend them together. Sorry guys, but I really like to do my lashes back camera because it really takes a lot of time. I like the way my contour came out. Lastly, what I just need to do is to get that total contoured face. To do that, I like to use this shade on this area just to create like a line here and brush it up here like that. So if this is done, then I'll just go ahead with my bronzer to just make my face look more matte. And that said, I would go ahead and blend it for the last time. And I will just apply here, then blend it out. You can also use that blush brush all over this area. Just this thing it just gives me. So yeah, you can go ahead and do that. So lastly, I would use this shade of highlight to just apply that over here. So because I'm going for a matte look, I wouldn't apply too much of it, just a little bit. I'll use a smaller brush for highlighting my brow bone. For your 15 seconds of fame, it's your time. Give me the then lastly, on my nose, I prefer to just do this and do this on the bridge of my nose. Okay, and the rest of the highlight on my brush, I will just apply a little. I really don't like seeing those shine on my forehead. I don't know why, but I actually forgot to spray my face after the makeup, so we're just gonna do that before we go. Ooh. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So now I'll just go ahead and pop over back to my video. Don't catch you slipping.